this video, I'll show you how to transfer Robux to another account. The easiest way to do this is by creating a Game Pass on your other account and purchasing it using your main Roblox account, or the account you want to use to make the transfer. Now to create Game Pass, first, sign in using your another account. For example, we'll be having this account right here. Once you're in the Home tab, click the Create option above to open the Creator Hub. Next, click the Creations option on the left side and then open your experience. Next, on the left side part, go over to Monetization section and click on Passes. Next, click the Create a Pass button and then you can change the image or not. Enter a name for your Game Pass, and for the description, you can leave it as it is or just put a simple one. Next, click the Create Pass below, and after that, click the Created Pass, and on the left side, click the Sales option. Next, turn on the button beside the item for sale, and then enter the price in Robux or the amount you wish to transfer. Take note that only 70% of the sale will be earned by the creator. Click the Save Changes, and after that, click the Back to Associated Items above. Click the three dots icon above the Created Pass and select Copy URL. Now, you can go back to the Roblox.com page and then sign in or switch to your main account. For example, we'll be having this account from where the Robux will be coming from. After that, open another tab and then paste the copied URL from the pass you created on your other account. Now, buy the Game Pass using your main account and then confirm your action. After doing that, you can check on your other account and you need to wait for a while for it to finish processing the Robux. It might take a couple of days to clear the transaction. That's basically the safest way for you to transfer Robux to another account.